mga palangga. So we're going out for a drive. I'll be the driver. And today I will be driving with my boots. So good luck to me. Normally talaga, hindi talaga ako nagda-drive with my boots. Ito yung ginagamit ko pag nagda-drive ako. Pero I will take that with me. Do you think I can drive with my boots, Honeybee? Do you think I can drive with my boots? Hindi kasi ako comfortable. Umuulan sa labas. Na-miss ko tong jacket na to ha. Matagal ko din tong hindi nagamit. Ito yung favorite jacket ko talaga. This will be my second time around to drive the car. But I think my first time I did well. I think. Do you have the key? Sweetheart? Do you have the key? Oh. Are you ready?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You scared? Right, come on.
You need to drive somewhere. Well, you can go drive.
Oh, I want my flats. Just in case. Just in case.
You've got a gas in it. All you do is press the pedal.
Huh?
All you do is press it, aren't you?
I know.
What's the problem then?
What if? Just in case.
Oh, he's up with this girl.
There's nothing wrong to have a precaution, John.
Okay.
So, where would you like to go, mister? Anywhere.
Well, what we'll do, just get it started and running, and then handbag can go in the back, shoes can go in the back. We don't need them in the front.
So, yung susi ng sasakyan, ito siya. It's different.
In there, then.
And you put that in here.
Yeah. So what we'll do before we start off, we'll pair your phone.
There. Yan.
Right, start your motor.
I know, I'm just showing them. So,
Yeah.
press your brake and start.
We'll do it. That's it.
There you go.
Right.
And it says here park. So, yung stick natin,
Don't
gear
do any
stick.
moving.
Can I let go with my
Yeah,
thingy?
take your foot off there, yeah. It's in
So, yung gear stick natin, meron siyang park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And what is this M plus and minus, sweetheart?
That's manual.
Manual?
Yeah, you can change gear manually.
Right, I see.
Yeah, but you don't need to.
So yun, I am learning and you are learning as well.
Don't
It's
need to go-
scary.
Where's your phone?
My phone is in my bag.
Right, well, we're going to pair your phone before we go anywhere, I say.
Oh yeah,
And then we're going to
we
try.
need to connect my phone. Search for Bluetooth
No, let's just see if
device.
there's a list. I don't, there shouldn't be.
Authorization. Okay.
Successful. Yeah, we got it, we got it.
Can you try to call me?
Yes.
And then I can answer here.
Right, it's connected.
Yeah, can you try to call me and so I can answer here? Is this the, what is this? This is the, what is R? Oh,
Well, what's it?
where is the answer
What's
button?
down there?
Oh, here.
Is that phone?
Well, source audio. There's a green and red
Is there a
telephone.
green? Yeah, well, that's your answering then. Green to answer.
Yeah. Why it's in here? Try it. Hello? Yeah.
Right, now press it again. Just press again.
Ah.
Okay.
Now I know.
Right, okay. So
And
now
I will
now
try
you-
the sat nav.
The phone's paired. Right, can you switch, get rid of that, whatever it is I've done? Right, okay. So that's that.
And that's it. That's that.
Should actually put my phone on this as well.
Yeah, you put your
Not
phone.
now, it's fine. Right, so this nav, right?
Sat nav.
Right, destination. Come on.
Bibili muna kami ng dog food. Did I did all right? Huh? The parking is bad. Huh? Well, never mind. Oh, I like this owl. I like this owl, honey. So cute. Yeah.
Not one of them as well.
One of those, okay.
Yeah. Here you go, mister.
Triangle, is it? What's that? So it must be a triangle thing, is it? Okay.
Nasa bahay na kami. Hindi na ako nag-film. Well, sabi ko kay John, mag-film ka. No, later. Until we're home. We never done any filming while we're driving. Dinala niya ako sa motorway. Kasi ako talaga, once pa lang ako nakapag-drive sa motorway. Well, twice now. The very first time na dinala ako ni Mr. sa motorway, just a day after I've passed my test. Then since that, I never been to motorway. Then, ngayon lang ako nakabalik ulit sa motorway. But I feel more relaxed na talaga na I don't need to worry about changing gear. And yeah, I'm happy with this car. I need to cook our tea. Honey, are you lighting the fire? Come on now. Sweetheart. So time here is already 4:15 in the afternoon. Mr. Kagabi, he made a trifle last night. Yan. Honey, you need to do a cream for your trifle, sweetheart, if you want it tonight. Yung tea natin, we have a leftover dito, chicken pie. So, yan yung kakainin natin. Fries and gravy. Yan lang. Simple. Very simple.
It's getting there. It's starting to thicken. Just so careful with this because it's
Say, getting thicker?
oh, it's nearly there now.
I think that's enough, sweetheart.
It's not quite.
Not quite.
No, it's still a bit. You
Can I
know.
have a little? Just a little. Mmm. I'll check the fire. Oh, it needs closing. So this is the top. And ito, para to sa bottom. Yan. And then, yung apoy, yan. Humihina na siya.
The next day.
Hello mga palangga. Ang ginaw. Pupunta tayo ng town ngayon. And guess what? I'll be driving today. Jan said, now you got your automatic car that you always wanted. It's time to be independent. Because I always told him, once I have my automatic car, I'll be driving. And he said, now you need to prove me that you need. Hello, mister.
Yeah.
I'm going.
You've locked your car.
I'm going.
Okay, take care.
I'm going to the town.
Well, you got diamonds on there.
Diamonds now. Alright. See you later.
Right, take care.
Bye!
My car's long way.
Nasa bahay na ako. Hindi ako nakapag-film nung lumabas ako. I need to go out today for my hair laser removal. That's my last appointment na. So sabi ng babae na if gusto mong bumalik ulit, then just give us a ring and I'll see you soon again or not. Yun yung sabi niya. Wala akong tripod ngayon. Pagpasensya niyo na. So, pumunta din ako ng Tesco. Hindi na talaga ako nag-film kasi umuulan. At pahirapan talaga. Nagbablog ka tapos meron kang basket sa kamay mo. Ang bigat! So, wala na. Hindi ako nakapag-film. So, anyway, nung sa Tesco, bumili ako ng chicken para sa ating diet. Balik alindog tayo dapat kasi para sa ating holiday. Ewan ko, hindi pa talaga na-finalize yung holiday namin. We need to look at it talaga.
Yeah?
I really like driving now, Han.
Really?
Yeah. I feel comfortable, honey. Yeah, I really feel comfortable with the car.
Right. That's the right paper. I'm going to
Ito yung
fix the car,
chicken.
my parts come forward, so I'm going to put that on now. And,
Sorry.
my new part for my car has arrived,
Oh, good.
so I'm going to do that now.
Good. What did you have for your lunch?
Sandwich and a little bit of my favourite.
Your trifle. Yung trifle na ginawa niya, siya lang talaga yung kumain.
Enough left for you.
Ano, pinanindigan ko yung sinabi ko na hindi ako kakain ng mga sweets. Yung mga treats sa mga bata. Do you want the treat for the dogs? Huh?
You can have one later.
Later. It's not busy in Tesco, so I did not have a trouble in parking. Honey, is this the right size? A4
That's right, well,
75?
85.
No, 75.
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope that's the right one. Come on now, mister.
Were you scared?
What, scared?
Driving all around.
No, I never felt scared. Well, I always feel like anxious when I am alone. But yeah, I did enjoy it anyway.
Good.
Yeah, I really did enjoy it. Come on, get the bags.
Getting the bag. Have you sent me any
It's
money
so
yet?
cold.
Oh, get some clothes on.
I have clothes.
No, you got half clothes on.
Nakapantalon kasi ako kanina. Ayun, hinubad ko.
You need to catch.
Catch. Yeah, that's the garland box. Hang on. Yeah. There you go. I think that's it. Yeah, we have the box for the wreath and all the bags for the bowls. And ewan ko kung anong mga to. Thank you.
Okay.
So, tinatanggalan ni Mr. ng battery yung garland. Why you have to take the battery out anyway?
Because the won't start corroding and leaking,
Right, I see.
and then it knackers this up inside,
And it will not,
and then it won't work.
yeah.
It corrodes the terminal, so there you go, you're fixed.
Thank
But
you.
they're good batteries, those, aren't they?
Yeah, they're new ones.
Genuine.
Mm. Are you making coffee?
Yeah.
Can I have a coffee, please? So, we need to take all the Christmas decoration down now.
Have we been?
Christmas is over. New Year is over. Time flies so
Are you having
quickly.
coffee?
Please.
Are you having We're having a simple potato.
Huh?
We're having sausages and
You're having chupalatos. And I'm having chicken. I'm dieting, Han.
well,
You need to, you know, prepare your body.
I've got my big body.
I just need to get some tape upstairs. That's it done. So, ngayon naman yung mga Christmas balls. So, ita-time-lapse ko kayo. So, you need to say goodbye now. Bye-bye. Christmas tree. Bye. Bye, Santa. See you. See you for another Christmas. Oh, you never know, honey. You know, Christmas will be soon here again. Ito na sila lahat. Natanggal ko na yung Christmas light nandito sa kamay ko. So, yung Christmas tree natin, bare na ulit siya. Yan. May mga nahulog na dahon. Mostly sa side na dito, madami. Yan, at sa floor, marami rin. Pero, nagtataka lang ako mga palangga. Yung mga nahulog na dahon, green. And mostly sa side na to. Ina-expect ko kasi, itong side na to, ina-expect ko na mas maraming malalagas dito kasi dahil na rin next siya sa radiator at naging yellow na siya, oh. Nakikita ba? Yan. Baka na rin siguro, itong side na kasi na ito, hindi kasi siya nadi-disturb. So, kahit na next siya sa radiator, intact pa din yung mga leaves niya. Dito kasi, nadi-disturb kasi natin. Like, sa Pasko, dito kami nagpipicture taking itong side. So, of course, matatouch talaga siya. At pag tinatouch mo, may mga mahuhulog talaga. Nakikita ba? Yan, may nahuhulog talaga. But that's a good size of tree, ha. I really like that tree. I am very pleased na yan yung tree na pinik namin for this year. So, yeah. I'm sad kasi parang feeling ko na parang kahapon ko lang nilagay yung mga Christmas decoration natin and then tinanggal natin ngayon. Hey, time flies so quickly talaga. Itong Christmas light natin, tatanggalin ko na at hindi pa din siya na-fix. Na ganyan pa din siya. Never mind. But we need to make sure next year na yung Christmas light na yan, perfect siya next year. Hopefully. This year, wala akong nabiling bagong Christmas decoration. Pero may nilagay ako sa Christmas tree natin. Papakita ko, ha? Ito. Ito sa champagne. Ito yung first ever champagne na tikman ko, na nainom ko. Kaya sabi ni Jan, isabit mo to sa Christmas tree. Kasi, I think some people do. I think some people, sinasabit nila to. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nila. Yung parang ano ba, yung top ng bote ng champagne. So, yun. Nilagay ko siya sa Christmas tree natin. Yung mga box ng candle natin. Ay. Nabili ko to sa Aldi. Hindi ko na maalala kung ilang taon na to. Mga 3 years na siguro to. Ginagamit na namin to Christmas. Ilalagay natin yung mga Christmas card dito. Yung mga Christmas card kasi kinikip ko. Kaya ayun. Sobrang daming junk sa bahay. Nasayangan kasi akong naitapon. Yung mga card na binibigay sa akin ni Mr. Nilalagyan ko siya ng date. Lahat ng card na binigay niya for like birthday, anniversary namin, Christmas, kinikip ko at nilalagyan ko sila ng date. Then yung rest ng card dito, nilalagyan ko din sila ng 2019. Yung bag lang. Christmas cards. 2019. So, ngayon naman, kailangan natin mag-hover. Kasi, oh, sobrang daming dahon sa floor. Natagalan tayo sa pagsindi ng ating wood burner kasi kailangan kasing i-empty yung wood burner. Mga every fortnight lang ini-empty namin yung wood burner. Before natin ito makalimutan, I need 2 hands for this. Lagay ko muna kayo dyan, ha? Hala, mahangin sa labas. Sobrang hangin. Yan na. Check muna natin yung fairy or angel natin. There she is. Ang hangin. Uy, ang ginaw. I have a crown. Nakaw naman talaga. Ay, walang magawa. Yan. Nakaban kasi ako. Kaya, yung wreath natin, tamang-tama na ilagay dito. No, actually, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng cling film. Babalutin ko siya ng cling film. Or, sandali lang. Ito, ilalagay ko na lang siya dito. Sa test ko bag. instead of cling film, diba? Yan na. Para hindi siya alikabukan sa loft. Nearly tea time na dito. So, si Mr. nag-request siya ng baked potato for tea with chipolatos. Ito yung potatoes before scrub. Makikita nyo yung after scrub. Madumi kasi siya. Oh, diba? Pumuti. Buti pa to, pumuti. Yung singit ko hindi, kahit anong kuskus ko. Hugot. Hugot sa singit. Kukunin lang natin yung mga blemishes sa potato. Then, i-ano ko na siya. I-microwave. So, yung vegetable natin for tonight, cauliflower and green beans. At yung chicken ko naman, ilalagay ko sa dito. Healthy ako, pero tomorrow masisira na naman yung diet ko kasi lalabas kami tomorrow. In-invite kami ng kaibigan ni Jan para mag-dinner, mag-tea sa kanila. At sobrang sarap niya magluto talaga. Lahat homemade. Hindi ko naman ini-starve yung sarili ko. Kumakain pa din ako ng maraming vegetable. At umiinom rin ako ng maraming tubig. So, I'm good. Huwag kayong mag-alala.